This year is Canada's 150th birthday. There will be many celebrations going on. Many high-ranking Canadians will be talking about our accomplishments and the fundamental beliefs of our country. But as a nature photographer, I thought I would give you a photographer's perspective on Canada. Show you how amazing this country really is. Canada is a photographer's paradise. Canada is a very big country. Even I have not seen it all. There will be provinces and famous places that are missed out in this video. It's not that they are not worthy or just as beautiful, it's just that I have not been there. So if your province or favorite place is not included in this video, don't feel bad. Just create your own video to show off how amazing the place is where you live. So without further introduction, here is Canada from a nature photographer's perspective. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Happy birthday, Canada. Just remember, bring your camera with you. You will need it with you all the time. Have fun and keep shooting.